This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, June 24th, 2019. Take a look at markets here at the open, and we're going to be taking a look at BYND, and I'm going to link a video in the description of this video where I was discussing this breakout here, and the observation was that once this breakout failed, as we can see here, we did close above that on a 2-hourly chart. So that was a successful breakout. But notice this candle here where we failed. So that was a failed breakout. The first initial red flag that this was not looking like it was going to stay stable and probably was showing signs of a drop after this failed breakout, going back to this hourly drop here. So that failed breakout was a problem. We also did mention the fact that we were seeing improvement in prices while the RSI was showing negative divergence. Also, we can see that the RSI was also showing RSI 69.1, uniform activity rejection. And now we are seeing the risk for even lower prices if the following continues. For example, here we can see that the RSI right now is trading at all-time lows. And as long as that RSI is at all-time lows, that's a major downside risk. We can see that at least one of the MACDs is trading at all-time lows. Here, this is just about to move to all-time lows on the MACD setting. So if the RSI is at all-time lows, MACD is at all-time lows, the risk for lower prices based on where it is trading right now are very high. If the stock is to recover in the immediate future here, if it can coil back above 50, that might stem the recent pullback. Otherwise, the more it drops below and moves to all-time lows on the RSI and the MACDs, chances are we are looking at the possibility of higher odds for way more lower prices. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ECS.